Did you think cloning a professional website would be easy? I did. I saw how thousands of entrepreneurs were using AI-powered tools to recreate stunning websites they admired, without coding or expensive developers. But it wasn't smooth at first. Most people get overwhelmed by complex structures or waste weeks manually copying designs. I wish I had known how to combine ChatGPT's analysis with Hostinger's AI in a smarter way from the beginning. So, to help you make website cloning easier, here are 7 proven steps that will help you recreate almost any website you admire in under 45 minutes. Most people see beautiful, high-performing websites and think they need a developer or years of design experience to build something similar. As a result, many great business ideas never get the professional online presence they deserve because the technical barriers feel impossible. That's exactly why combining ChatGPT's website analysis with Hostinger's AI website builder changes the game. This approach removes guesswork and technical complexity at the same time, which means regular people can finally model successful websites without stress. By the end of this video, you'll see a complete professional website recreated from scratch using ChatGPT and Hostinger's AI tools. You'll also understand how to navigate the platform step by step and why this 2-part process helps you capture the structure, flow, and effectiveness of any website you admire without copying it. First, let's understand what AI-powered website cloning really means and why it works so well. Traditional copying usually means staring at a website, guessing what matters, and trying to rebuild it manually. AI-powered cloning works differently. Instead of guessing, AI analyzes what makes a website effective and then rebuilds those patterns in a clean, original way. Here's how the process works in practice. First, ChatGPT analyzes the website's structure, content flow, and functionality. Then, it identifies the key elements that make the site successful. Next, it turns those insights into clear, structured instructions. After that, Hostinger's AI uses those instructions to build a similar website automatically. Finally, you customize the result so it fits your brand and business perfectly. This means you're learning from success rather than copying it. As a result, you stay legally safe while still benefiting from proven design and user experience patterns. Even better, beginners can do this without any technical background. Now let's move into Hostinger and see where this all happens. First, log in and open your main dashboard. Then, look at the left sidebar menu and locate the Horizons section. Next, you'll see promotional messaging highlighting Hostinger's AI-powered website creation. After that, look for the message encouraging you to go from idea to a website or web app in minutes. Subsequently, click on the button Try Now to open the AI Builder area. The design is intentionally simple. This helps you focus on what you want to build instead of worrying about technical settings. Next, you'll arrive at the AI Website Builder interface. This is where the cloning process officially begins. You'll see a clear question asking what you want to create, along with a short explanation that everything works through chat. At the center, there's a button inviting you to start. Click that button, and you're inside the AI Builder. Before we ask Hostinger to build anything, we need one critical step: analysis. Instead of guessing what makes a website good, we let ChatGPT do the thinking for us. Open ChatGPT and paste a prompt asking it to analyze the website you want to recreate. Ask about the site's purpose, structure, design elements, functionality, target audience, and success factors. ChatGPT will return a clear breakdown: the website's main goal, who it's for, how it's structured, and why it works. Often, it also points out subtle things like storytelling, layout hierarchy, or conversion-focused design choices that are easy to miss. This analysis becomes the foundation for everything that comes next. Once you have that breakdown, the next step is turning it into a cloning prompt. Ask ChatGPT to write a detailed, AI-friendly prompt for a website builder. The goal is not copying content, but describing structure, layout, features, and design style in a clear way. ChatGPT will generate a prompt that includes the website type, visual style, key pages, required functionality, and user experience goals. This is powerful because it translates strategy into instructions and AI can actually execute. Now comes the fun part. Go back to Hostinger's AI chat interface. Paste the prompt you generated, then add your own details. Your business name, brand colors, pages you need, and any specific preferences. As soon as you send the message, the AI starts building your website in real time. You're essentially having a conversation with an expert developer who understands exactly what you want. You can watch the structure appear, sections get added, pages form, and layouts adjust automatically. If something doesn't feel right, just type a change. For example, ask for a stronger hero section or clearer calls to action, and the AI updates it instantly. After the site is built, it's time to customize. Replace placeholder text with your real content. Upload your own images. Adjust colors and messaging so everything aligns with your brand. Because the AI understands context, your changes stay consistent and professional. Next, test everything. Preview the site as a visitor. Click through pages. Test forms, buttons, and mobile responsiveness. Compare the experience to the original site you analyzed and see where you can improve. Testing often reveals ways to make your version even better than the original, whether through clearer messaging or smoother navigation. At this point, some people wonder about legality. The key thing to understand is this: you are not copying content, images, or branding. You're studying publicly visible design patterns and user experience principles. This is the same way businesses learn from competitors, only faster and smarter. Others worry their site will look too similar. In practice, customization makes each site unique. The AI focuses on structure and flow, not duplication. And yes, you really can do this without technical skills. The AI handles the complexity. You just describe what you want. Now let's talk about cost. Traditionally, recreating a professional website can cost tens of thousands of dollars and take months. With AI, the cost drops to under $100 per year plus a few hours of your time. That's a massive difference, both financially and strategically. Instead of waiting months, you can launch in days or even hours and start learning from real results. So here's your action plan. Today, pick 2 or 3 websites you admire. This week, analyze them with ChatGPT. Next, turn those insights into prompts and build your site with Hostinger's AI. Then, launch, test, and improve. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more AI-powered business guides. Coming up next, you'll learn how to analyze competitor websites for deeper insights and how to customize AI-built sites even further. You don't need to start from scratch. Success leaves patterns, and now you know how to study those patterns, adapt them, and build something powerful of your own. Stop admiring great websites. Start modeling what works, and turn inspiration into action.